Hello guys, so let's start this full face makeup tutorial video. So the first step is to prep your skin, do your skin prep. After that, you set it in with your setting spray, and when you're done, you allow it to dry. Then you go in with your foundation, blend. After your foundation, you go in with your contour, then your cream blush. After your cream blush, you go in with your concealer to conceal your under eye, the bridge of your nose, and then you set it in with your setting powder. Go in with your setting powder. After that, you use your powdered blush and then you contour your nose, and then you go on to do your eyeshadow. So here we are doing the smoky eyeshadow and some glitters. So after that, you line your upper and lower lid. You can see that the person here is tearing up, so I had to make her look up so that she doesn't mess up the makeup. After that, you fix your eyelashes. You set. Always set in between your makeup. That's what will give you a flawless look. So after that, you go in to line your lips, and then you use your lipstick. Here we are using our nude lipstick, and look at the final result, guys. She looks beautiful, she looks gorgeous, she looks tantalizing, she looks stunning, she looks so good. Her dress is fine, her hair is on point, the makeup is 100. Thank you for watching. Bye.